Assalamualaikum guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make these delicious crispy pakore. So let's get started.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon so you can get notified for whenever I post new videos.
We will need potatoes cut into fries, rice flour, besan or gram flour, onions, cumin seeds, salt, chili flakes, chili powder, coriander crushed, Anar or pomegranate seeds. We will also need coriander and green chilies. Okay, so in a bowl we will add the onions and the potatoes and we will give it a good mix. Now we will take cumin seeds, crush them between our hands and put them in the bowl and give them a good mix. Now we will add all the masala or spices, stir it well. Now add the rice flour or the corn flour, whatever you have on hand, and give it a good mix. Now I'll add the besan a little at a time and I will add water to it. I added like 2 tablespoons and gave it a good mix. Now we will add the green chilies and coriander, give it a good mix, and the remaining besan and a little bit more water, and stir it all together until well combined. You can see the consistency, it's not too runny. Add water if needed. We will heat the oil and we will add the pakore, like 6 to 7 pieces at a time with the help of our hands. We will fry the pakore until they're golden brown in color. Took around 5 minutes. Once they're done, you can remove them from the oil. They should look something like this. Now you can serve your pakore with a little sprinkle of chaat masala on top and a side of green chutney or ketchup. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.